What makes me so proud about what's happening at VCU Arts is its commitment to excellence. When I first heard about the CoStar Center for Arts and Innovation, I was floored by the opportunity. This sort of building is such a bold statement in the commitment to the arts. It is extraordinary. CoStar has been such an instrumental part of the success of this building and what will be the future of VCU Arts. When we unlock potential, we create spaces for students to grow and transform, achieve, and excel. It's important to have the best researchers, the best scholars, the best voices coming together to transform an educational experience. It's not just a building, it's the future.